everyone, today I am going to show you how to make stir-fry vegetables out of the vegetables we get in winter. So we have broccoli, baby corn, carrot and yellow and red capsicum. So let's start. Okay, so first we will start by adding some butter and we will melt it. Then we will put in all the vegetables, the broccoli, the carrot and red and yellow capsicum, baby corn, and if you want to add any other vegetables you can, like zucchini or any other vegetables you get in winter. Now let the vegetables cook from time to time, not very soft but a little crunchy. Don't stir it continuously, just from time to time. Now we will add pepper. So first we will add some pepper and then we will add oregano and salt. We have to take half spoon of pepper. Now we will add salt. Even salt we will take half spoon. And now oregano. Now give it a good mix and let it cook for some more time. Okay, just have to mix a little more, then we will let it cook. Okay, look what a lovely color it has. I love it. It's even healthy and tasty. So now I want it to be a little soft, so I'm going to put on this. But if you want it full crunchy, then you can leave it open. Here we are. My sauteed vegetables are ready. It smells delicious. Well, now I'm going to eat my sauteed vegetables. I hope you make yours soon. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.